Hi, my name is Brooke with WTI. Do you ever need to replace your shoelaces because they can't hold up to the hard-working shoe? These are amazing. These are Ironlaces, Unbreakable shoelaces. This is the 63-inch, so you can relace your shoes, and even if you have high ankle shoes, it goes all the way to the top. There's plenty of room. The best thing to me about this is that it does not slip out of place once the shoelace is tied. I like that you can pull and tug, and they're so strong, these shoelaces, that there's no stretching at all. So it just is great to have a shoelace stay in place all day where you don't have to retie it over and over and over. And the fact that my husband has just these awesome, strong hands, he doesn't even realize it. He's like the Incredible Hulk. These shoelaces, they're the winners in this case. He is not going to be able to break these, and he's been able to wear these, and they are in great shape. These are also resistant to fire, water, corrosion, wear and tear. They're great for durability, and the ends aren't even frayed. So if you need to replace your shoelaces, but you want to replace it with something that's good quality and that lasts, definitely check these out, because these are really great and they work wonderful, especially for my husband and his awesome working shoes. So that's just my point of view.